AI is about to reshape the labor market faster than most people realize. And the people most at risk are not factory workers, they're knowledge workers, lawyers, marketers, programmers, analysts. For decades, we believed education protects you from automation. Machines replace manual labor. Humans move into cognitive work. But AI changes that equation completely. And most people are not prepared for what comes next. Automation isn't new. For more than a century, machines have been replacing human labor. Factories automated physical work. Computers automated calculations. Software automated many office tasks. Each wave followed the same pattern. Technology replaced certain jobs, but new ones appeared. That's why many economists still believe the same thing will happen with AI. But there's a problem with that assumption. AI doesn't just automate tasks, it automates intelligence. Large language models can now write code, draft legal documents, analyze financial reports, generate marketing campaigns, tasks that once required highly trained professionals. And the technology is improving at an extraordinary pace. But the real disruption isn't AI replacing jobs directly. It's something more subtle. AI multiplies the number of people who can perform complex work. A junior employee with AI tools can suddenly perform tasks that previously required years of experience. A small company can now operate with a fraction of the staff it once needed. One person, assisted by AI, can do the work of several. And when productivity increases this quickly, something happens to the labor market. Supply explodes, demand doesn't keep up, and wages begin to collapse. This creates what I call the labor trap. For most of modern history, income came from selling skills. You studied, you developed expertise, you sold that expertise to employers. Skill scarcity created income, but AI is destroying that scarcity. When intelligence becomes abundant, the value of individual labor falls. And that changes the rules of the economic game. To understand what survives in the AI economy, it helps to think about 4 levels of economic leverage. Level 1 is the worker. Workers sell labor. They perform tasks and get paid for their time. This is where most people live, and it's the position most vulnerable to AI. Level 2 is the specialist. Specialists sell expertise rather than simple labor. Doctors, lawyers, engineers. They earn more because their knowledge is scarce. But AI is rapidly eroding that scarcity. Level 3 is the operator. Operators don't just perform work. They run systems. They manage businesses, processes, or organizations that generate value. And AI actually makes operators more powerful because it increases the leverage of the systems they control. Finally, there's level 4, the owner. Owners control assets, businesses, brands, intellectual property, real estate. When AI increases productivity, owners capture most of the value. If AI continues improving, and there's every reason to believe it will, the economic center of gravity shifts away from labor toward ownership. In other words, the safest place in the AI economy is not selling work. It's controlling systems or assets. That doesn't mean jobs disappear overnight, but it does mean the traditional career model becomes much less stable. The question many professionals will soon face is simple. If selling labor becomes less valuable, what replaces it? That's the question this channel explores. How AI is changing the economic landscape. Which careers and business models survive? And how individuals can reposition themselves before the rules change completely. Because the AI revolution isn't just a technological shift, it's an economic one. And understanding that difference may be the most important career decision of the next decade.